Hey there, my name is Saman Tariq and welcome back to Freelance Vibes YouTube channel. Today I want to dive deeper into the topic of securing your financial future. We all want financial stability and peace of mind. Well, I believe there are two investments that can help you achieve just that. In this video, we will discuss these investments in detail and how they can shape your future. So let's get started. The first investment I want to talk about is investing in yourself. It's all about recognizing your own worth and taking the steps to enhance it. There are several ways to do this, so let's explore a few. Number one is educational skills. Education doesn't stop after school or college. In fact, it's a lifelong journey. Investing in courses, workshops, or even certifications related to your field can significantly boost your expertise and marketability. By continuously learning and acquiring new skills, you'll become more valuable to employers or even to yourself as an entrepreneur. Another crucial aspect of investing in yourself is building a strong network. Networking can open doors to new opportunities, collaborations, and mentorship. Attend industry events, join professional communities, and engage with like-minded individuals. Your network can provide valuable insight, advice, and potential job prospects. Investing in yourself isn't limited to professional aspects alone. Take time to focus on personal growth and well-being. Develop good habits, practice self-care, and improve your mindset. Building resilience and emotional intelligence will contribute to your overall success and happiness. Now let's shift our attention to the second investment, which is real estate. Real estate has proven to be a reliable wealth building strategy over time. Let's explore why. One of the most significant advantages of investing in real estate is the potential for property value appreciation. Historically, real estate tends to increase in value over the long period of time. As the value of your property rises, so does your equity, which can lead to significant wealth accumulation. Real estate can generate income through rental properties as well. By renting out your property, you can receive a steady stream of passive cash flow. This income can supplement your earnings, provide financial stability, even allow for future investments. Real estate serves as a hedge against inflation. When inflation occurs, the cost of living rises, but so do rental prices. As a real estate owner, you can adjust rental rates to keep up with inflation. Additionally, if you have a fixed rate mortgage, your monthly payments remain stable while the value of your currency decreases, effectively reducing your real payment burden. Investing in yourself and real estate can truly transform your financial future. But where do you start? Here is a practical approach to getting on the right track. Don't overwhelm yourself by trying to do too much too soon. Begin by setting realistic goals and taking small steps towards achieving them. This might involve enrolling in a relevant course, attending networking events, or saving for a down payment on a property. Before diving into real estate investing, make sure you educate yourself about the market, local regulations, and potential risk. Books, podcasts, and online resources are great ways to expand your knowledge. It's always wise to consult with professionals such as financial advisors or real estate agents who can provide expert advice tailored to your specific situation. They can help you navigate potential pitfalls and make informed decisions. So the conclusion is, investing in yourself and real estate can be life-changing when it comes to securing your financial future. By continuously improving your skills and knowledge, you'll increase your value in the job market. Also, the real estate can offer long-term wealth accumulation and a reliable source of income. Remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Take it one step at a time and remain committed to your goals. Start today and you'll be on your way to never worrying about money again. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. As always, feel free to leave your comments and questions below. Until next time, take care and keep investing in your future. Have a good day.